Good morning, student. In this lecture, we are going to study topic solid state, and next point is packing efficiency. Then first of all, what is meant by packing efficiency? It is the fraction or percentage of the total space occupied by the particles in unit cell. Then packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. Then there are three Bravais lattices for cubic lattice, that are simple cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell, and body centered cubic unit cell. Then we will see first packing efficiency of simple cubic lattice. Here I have drawn diagram of face of simple cubic unit cell. From this diagram it indicates that there are radius of two adjacent particles is equal to unit cell edge length, that is A. Then packing efficiency is calculated by using 4 steps. Step first is radius of sphere. First step, radius of sphere. As indicated in diagram, we know that in simple cubic unit cell there are only particles at the 8 corners, that is it consists of only one particle. That one particle is placed at 8 corner of the simple cubic, that is this particle is contributed to another neighboring 7 unit cell. Therefore only 1/8th particle is present at each corner, and total particles present in simple cubic unit cell is equal to only 1. Therefore from this diagram it indicates that A is equal to 2R. Therefore A is equal to 2R, and hence R is equal to A by 2. This is the first step. Here R is the radius of the atom and A is the unit cell edge length. Here R is radius of atom and A is unit cell edge length. Then step second, volume of sphere. We know that volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Then value of r is A by 2, which is substituted in this equation. Then volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi. What is the value of r? That is A by 2. A by 2 cube. It becomes is equal to 4/3 pi a cube upon, what is the cube of 2? 8. Then this equation becomes pi a cube divided by 3 into 2, 6. This is the volume of sphere. Then third step is total volume of particles. Step third, total volume. Total volume of sphere. This is the only total volume of sphere, and step third is total volume of particles, or it is also called as sphere. We know that in simple cubic unit cell there is only one particle is present in unit cell. Therefore, volume occupied by one particle in unit cell is equal to volume of sphere. Total volume of particles, because of simple cubic unit cell, contains only one particle. Therefore, total volume of particle is equal to pi by 6 a cube. It is same as volume of sphere, because simple cubic unit cell contain only one particle. Then packing efficiency. Fourth step is packing efficiency. We know that formula for packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. Formula packing efficiency. What is the formula? Volume occupied by particles in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. We know that volume occupied by one particle in simple cubic unit cell is equal to pi by 6 into a cube divided by total volume of unit cell is nothing but a cube, that is unit cell edge length cube. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to what is the total volume occupied by one particle is equal to pi by 6 a cube divided by a cube is equal to pi a cube divided by 6 into a cube is cancel, then remaining is pi by 6. What is the value of pi? Is equal to, value of pi is equal to 3.142 divided by 6 is equal to 0.523, and packing efficiency is calculated in percentage by multiplying, what is the value? 0.523. This is the packing efficiency. but packing efficiency is calculated in percentage. Therefore here multiplied by 100 is equal to 52.3% is the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell. Therefore in simple cubic unit cell 52.3% is the packing efficiency, that is total space occupied by one particle is 52.3% and remaining is 47.6% is the empty space. 47.6% is the empty space and it is also called as voids. There will be question asked, multiple choice question asked for 1 mark. What is the percentage of empty space in simple cubic unit cell, or what is the percentage of void? Void means empty space present in unit cell. That empty space is 47.6% in simple cubic unit cell. This is about packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell. Then next point is number of particles in cubic unit cell. We know that there are 3 Bravais lattices for cubic unit cell. First is simple cubic unit cell, second is body centered cubic unit cell, and third is face centered cubic unit cell. Then we will see one by one number of particles present in these unit cells. First is simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell there are 8 corners. At 8 corners there is a 1 particle is present. Therefore, but 1 particle at each corner is contributed to neighboring 7 unit cells. Therefore, this particle present at each corner is the part of 1 by 8th. There are 8 corners. Therefore, total number of atoms or particles present in simple cubic unit cell are calculated by total particles is equal to, there are 8 corner, but at 8 corner only 1 by 8 particle is present because this particle is contributed to neighboring 7 unit cell. Therefore, 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, total number of particles present in simple cubic unit cell is 1 particle. Then, in body centered cubic unit cell, there are also 8 corners. Here also at 8 corner 1 by 8th particle is present. In addition to this, it consists of 1 particle at its center. Therefore, total number of particles or atoms is equal to 1 by 8 multiplied by 8. This is at 8 corners and 1 particle is present at the center of each unit cell. Therefore, total number of particles in body centered cubic unit cell is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then in third, face centered cubic unit cell, there are also 1 by 8 particle is present at 8 corners of cube. In addition to this, each cube having 6 faces. Therefore, one particle at each face is shared to another one neighboring unit cell. Therefore, at each face is one particle is present, but which is shared to another neighboring unit cell. Therefore, at each space one half particle is present. Therefore, total number of particles in face centered cubic unit cell is equal to total particles is equal to, there are 8 corners, at 8 corners 1/8 particle is present, plus there are 6 faces, but at 6 faces only half particle is present, because half particle is shared to neighboring unit cell. Therefore, 1/2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, total number of particles present in face centered cubic unit cell is equal to 4. Okay, next point in next lecture.